At a high level, just so people are aware what the dominoes are, spike in oil, US Treasuries sell off because the reverse carry trade unwinds. We get a launch of stable coins here in the US to be able to soak up those treasuries and stabilize the bond market. Chaos across markets, big fall in gold, big fall in Bitcoin. That's going to destabilize Tether. Exchanges are now illiquid. You've got ETFs, for XRP driving the supply down to the point where there's very little left on exchanges. And BlackRock, I think, will launch their ETF. Both Brad and Larry, when asked on public television about XRP, they say they can't talk about, the counterparty or what they're doing with them. Specifically asked about, an ETF product. Both of them said, I can't talk about that. So we know they have NDAs in place. And that's likely a scenario that will play out. And I think will drive significant demand for XRP on the exchanges because the OTC desk and the dark pools will be dry. And we will see a spike in XRP while everything else is burning, because there will also be huge demand from the exchanges at that point to settle the trades on there. If you want to look up the Shane Ellis theory, talks about XRP getting to $589. That's where that comes from, along with some of the other lore in the space. And, all of that demand all at one time, I do think could easily push the price to 3 or 4 digits. All of those things are still in play.